In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make an epic a child of an initiative in Jira. This process can help you organize your projects more effectively and maintain a clear structure within your Jira workspace. Now, let's delve into the steps to make this happen. First, you'll want to head to Jira by opening your browser and navigating to your Jira dashboard. If you haven't logged in yet, enter your login credentials to access the platform. Once logged in, you'll find yourself in the familiar environment where all your project management magic happens. Next, focus on the left-hand side of your screen where you'll see options like spaces or projects. These areas contain the various compartments of your managerial universe. So go ahead and click on either of these options to open up the project space where the epic you want to adjust is located. With your chosen space or project now open, direct your attention to the project's board or backlog. Here you may see different cases, likely including your initiatives and epics. Click on the case that represents the initiative you're working with. This action is crucial because it's here that you will identify and associate the epic as a child. Upon selecting the appropriate case, look for the parent entry. This is commonly visible as an option or designation within the detailed view of your issue type. The parent option allows you to orchestrate a hierarchy between the initiative and the epics linked to it. Now, it's time to find the specific epic that you wish to make a child of this initiative. Click on the epic that you need to adjust. By doing so, you're ensuring that this particular epic becomes formally recognized within the structure as subordinate to the overarching initiative. By following these steps, you should now have successfully arranged for your epic to be a child of an initiative. This hierarchy can be incredibly beneficial when organizing your work in Jira, as it provides clarity on the relationships between different tasks and helps team members understand the priority and broader objectives of the project. Remember, maintaining an organized and well-structured project management environment makes everyone's work more efficient and straightforward, reducing confusion and facilitating better collaboration. Whether you're managing product development, marketing sprints, or technical support tasks, these steps will help keep everything neatly aligned in Jira. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've learned how to create a clear and cohesive relationship between epics and initiatives in Jira. Thanks for joining me today and happy organizing.